Namaskar. Our India is an agriculture country. About 60 to 70% of our country population is dependent on agriculture. In today's era, we are in progressive nation. We are making a lot of progress. But if we look at our farmers, there is no change in their condition. There are some villages where electricity has not reached till now. We have to take everyone along. We are still manufacturing electricity from solar energy, water, air, etc. But there are many expenses in that too. Established cost, maintenance charge will see different expenses. Keeping this in mind, this device has been made. The main purpose of device is generated electricity while farming. We are very concerned about fuel today. The amount of fuel is decreasing rapidly. We have to find some solution on this as soon as possible. In this, I am trying to my best, and this project has been named Adhunik Krishi Yantra. Adhunik Krishi Yantra can do 75% of the farming work. If we talk about the tractors, there then high investment, fuel charges, it is an expensive job. Along with this, more resources are also used. Their expenses are also different. Adhunik Krishi Yantra can do all the farming work such as sowing, ploughing, cutting and spraying. Sowing. After the feeding seed time, we can make our work easier by setting the size of seed and different in sowing. And along with that fertilizer can also provided according to quantity. Ploughing. As you are seeing here, the back of part, the device does the work of ploughing. Cutting. The blade in the machine are used harvesting the crop. Spraying. No separated sprayer is required for spraying. We can spray on the crop by the machine itself. We use the traditional method for farming. Then we started moving forward with technology. But the cost of this thing was also very high. Adhunik Krishi Yantra is the most advanced of these. It does not require any fuel, no additional power. The raw model we have made produce 1 kilowatt of energy every 3 seconds, means 20 kilowatt energy in 1 minute and 1200 kilowatt energy in 1 hour. Output capacity is 1200 kilowatt per hour. If the machine runs for the 8 hours in farming, it will generate 9400 kilowatt of the energy. This is the equivalent to the energy requirement of one village with 100 homes. The machine fulfills its energy requirement from 25% energy consumed by this device itself, and the remaining energy we can store in batteries. This machine will bring revolution in the field of science and agriculture. It will also make the work of farmer easier and will generate electricity and saving fuel. No matter how big or small we are doing, but even small congratulations for putting more energy in the work go to long way. Similarly, I receive congratulations on a very good level for my encouragement and my project. Adhunik Krishi Yantra has been awarded with 1 international, 2 national and 3 state level awards. The world's second number business expo, which is in Kazakhstan, Adhunik Krishi Yantra will be kept there for 2 years. It is a matter of great pride for us. And this is how my dream is going to come true today. Jai Hind.
Hello, good morning everyone. Prashant Naresh Patil has contributed a lot in taking our Indian research sector to the heights. The agriculture machinery made by him has received award at the national or international level. Really, Prashant's work is commendable. The agriculture machinery made by him will prove to be very helpful for the farmers. The coming technology will bring advancement in the field. Similarly, the services of the country continue with his hands. This is my prayer and my best wishes to him. Thank you.
Namaste. As we all know, India is an agricultural country. If we look at the problems going on in the Indian agricultural sector, there are many problems. One of which is scarcity or unavailability of the electricity for the agricultural work. Mr. Prashant Patil has created a solution for this problem in the form of Adhunik Krishi Yantra. He has created the solution while doing all the farming works by creating the electricity. This idea is quite interesting. Prashant has received many international awards for this project along with the many national and state level awards. It is indeed matter of great pride for all of us that this will be included as a contribution in the Indian research. My best wishes to Mr. Prashant Patil and his mentor. I am sure Prashant will continue to work like this in the field of research and will bring laurels to the country. Thank you.